usual na yan. But when you get points from other sources, that is a great boost to your campaign.
That's true.
Alyssa, binasang mabuti. Si says, kaya ko yan. Lara gets a point. Kahit bahagya nakaganti.
Oh, but you also gotta like the attitude of Lara kasi lumalaban nga.
Basta wag lang ako serve receive. Kaya ko kayo lahat. Because is the official ball of the Shakey's video. Kaya pinag-usapan natin kasi.
Ikaw eh.
Sorry. 14-13. May karga rin ang serve ni Alyssa, no?
Yep.
We're gonna have a timeout before the technical timeout. Lasal Dasma will want to talk things over.
Hindi na palakihin. Hindi na palakihin. Okay? Siguro ulit tayo. Sa magandang paso ulit para may play system. Simple tayo, isip lang.
Pero talaga, enjoy naman tayo sa mga. Hey, sayang ha. Wala mo nga tayo. Sayanin mo. Wala mo tayo sa lamang.
Long-time competitors, now teammates.
Kaya naman. Dapat may world peace yun. Magkakalapit lang ang tao. Saka huwag mo awahin lahat kaagad kasi, di ba? Magkikita rin kayo. Parang showbiz yun.
Oo nga eh.
Oo nga. Yonko, overcooking. And it is 16-13 technical timeout. Mark, another ceasefire. V-League updates via GMA International, 2 Facebook or 3 Facebook accounts that you can actually visit. GMA Pinoy TV, GMA Live TV, GMA International. Here's the Dueñas family from Pasig City. The Dueñas brigade is made up of Alan, Carol, Andy, Charlie, and Ryan. Nice. Look at them. Facebook moment.
Yep.
Nice to meet you and glad you're here with us for the Shakey's V-League. In the meantime, Ateneo messing up the serve. Alyssa Valdez, her heave into the net.
And that's why we always like to invite people to come to the arena in San Juan so you can watch the games live, and you never know, you can be chosen as either the face of the day or the family.
Yeah, you will have a box of pizza. Box of pizza, huh? Yung sinabing box na. Lara.
From the back, finding that corner pocket.
Tan. Giselle. Inside. She loves doing that.
And what a time. It really caught the defense of Ateneo flat-footed.
Yep, very so. And Giselle has a way of making it look like it's an open set, then uhuhulog.
Oh.
Ako si Tina Salak. Not that I can catch it, but I get a feeling I know when she does it. In the meantime, tumambling.
Well, 1 point lead for Ateneo.
Amutan tumbled over. Try doing that when you're older and you may not be able to
stand up.
Survive. Close to the net. Alanganin. Yonko is there. Amutan lifts it up. Long. Gusto na rin umuwi ng mga taga Loyola Heights.
Pero you gotta love it when, guest players, obviously, some of them not teammates like Dadang and C. When somebody makes an error, may respect kasi, diba? When somebody creates an error, they smile at each other.
Wala, malinis. Shakey's, the place you go to for fun, family, and pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
And Yonko with a smart tip there.
18-17. Ako, sense ko rin out of shape a bit itong Lasal Dasmariñas. Not in, parang on summer break.
Oh, yeah.
And they're trying to play themselves into shape. Merong ganun eh. Lupit, malupit, malupit. Alam mo, ito debatable to. Mas malupit pumalo ito kesa kay Eliza. Yung baon eh. Arguable yan. Of course, yung mga fans ni Eliza magwawala dyan, magagalit. Pero ang lupit pumalo.
Lupit din.
May tusok eh. Ultimate judge niyan, blockin natin. Para malaman natin kung gaano kalakas
Tapos
yung palo.
dapat may gauge, may ano. Oh.
Diba?
Tapos iilaw naman.
Tapos yung nakahiga, kamusta ka? Malakas ba yung palo? 1918.
When in doubt, when in need.
Go to the main,
Maybe.
go to
Eliza.
the main source of points of the Lady Eagles for the last couple of years.
Good serve.
2-point lead. Lara. Fighter to Lara.
Oh, exactly. What we were saying, we're saying it earlier.
Maaga lang binugbog ni Eliza pero ito na.
Umabangon.
Yan ang Patriot.
Yeah.
Talagang ginulpi ni Eliza sa serve kanina. May sipa talaga. Ganda. On target. Oh my God, what a set by Giselle Tan. Yung sipa, no? Parang ninja.
Ayun na yung sagot mo. Arguably eh.
Yeah, arguably.
Sabi niya, take this.
See? Ngayon, sasagot naman si Maragunet. Daming weapons.
Yeah.
Nicely done. Nicely done by Lasal Dasmariñas. Look at the smile of Nuna. She'll take that home.
She will.
Wrap it up with a ribbon and make sure it's in her memory banks.
Keeps it in the closet.
Palo ako. Hindi na itaas ni Eliza Valdez. Kiliana has been steady. Eliza is blocked. Tan. Lara. Eliza, tapusin mo na. Sabi ni Giselle Tan.
Oh!
Out. Okay ba si Giselle?
Oh, sanay na yan.
Parang na right hook ni Pacquiao. Right
Sakul,
hook.
exactly.
Lip street ni Manny.
But she's so used to it.
Oo.
Parang wala
Oo,
nangyari, no?
Actually, sa volleyball player, normal yan eh.
Oo.
Parang mo kami ni Andre Mulia nun sa Spiker Step. Sapog si ano. Warm up. Kung nag-stand up kami dyan, sapog talaga. Okay lang kaya. That would have been different kung let's say buntis pa si Anon eh. No? Oh.
Oo nga.
Dadang with a big smile. Kapit, sabi ni Dadang.
Yeah, this is the best, the closest they've got to.
Bakit natin bibigyan ng 3-0 ito? Laban. Dadang. Ay. Lakas. La Victoria is a tall libero for Ateneo.
But she's doing a decent job today.
Isang magandang receive tayo, isang magandang pasa lang. Dalawa lang yan, mga ate ha. Si pagka tumaas, palik mo na isang point, palik mo na.
Sorry guys, kain natin na.
Sarap lang.
Tara, go tayo. Go tayo, kabawi tayo. Say, ano mo? Dalawa lang. Kami tayo.
23-21, Ateneo took the first two sets and hoping to wrap it all up here. Eliza started them off with some aces. Again, Lara, her favorite target. Block will put them at match point.
Bea De Leon really manning the fort pretty well. Match point. What a great serve.
And Yonko doesn't want to go home yet.
But Yonko, for all it's worth, she's been so consistent today. I mean, especially this third set.
Alyssa Galeon. Fan Baragino.
That's all she wrote.
Suno mo eh. And the Lady Eagles win in straight sets against LaSalle Dasmariñas and now move up to 3-0 while LaSalle Dasma continues to look for its first win.
Yeah, but at least, even if it's a straight set loss for LaSalle Dasmariñas, they gave Ateneo, they challenged Ateneo. It wasn't a walk in the park.
No.
And they should be happy with that, and they try to learn and move forward.
And now let's who's our best player?
No brainer. And she's with Ivy Remulla.
Go Ivy.
I'm sure na nahulaan nyo na rin lahat. Yes, I'm here with Alyssa Valdez, her best player of the game, who scored 22 points in this match. So Ali, basically yung for the most part in control naman din kayo sa game. So what do you think is the advantage of Ateneo over LaSalle Dasmariñas?
Well, definitely siguro nag-work talaga yung blockings namin today with Bea and Amy and Amadi and Kim, of course. So siguro yun lang yung naging maliit na advantage namin against LaSalle.
And then there are some points during the game, especially sa third set, na medyo dumidikit tapos na lumamang pa sila. So during those times, what do you think naman yung saan ba nagkulang yung Ateneo kaya nakahabol or nakalamang sila?
Siguro yung yung focus namin inside the game. Sige, syempre, hindi naman may iwasan after two sets. Medyo yung pang third set medyo magiging complacent kami. But then Coach Tai and the other teammates naman will always push us to the end. So ayan.
Okay, and because you played well today, Shakey's has a special gift for you. And you also have a chance to greet lahat ng supporters nyo.
First, sa family ko dyan sa San Juan, Batangas, hello po. I miss you all. And to all the fans na hindi nakapunta, hello po sa dyan sa bahay. And to all the fans na andito, maraming salamat po. And to all my friends, hi. And ayan lang naman. Belated happy birthday sa cousin Totalay. Happy birthday!
Okay, congratulations, Ali. Back to you, Noreen and Seb.
Congratulations, Alyssa, getting to be a familiar sight here in the Shakey's League. Noreen, a great day of volleyball.
It's fun always working with you, Seb.
Thank you very much, Noreen. In behalf of Noreen and Ivy Remulla, Seb Samantha here saying, join us again next time here in the Shakey's League, where it all started.